Hi everyone, Brian McKim with House America Financial. It's been a wild couple of crazy weeks in mortgage, probably the craziest in my 18-year career, and wanted to bring you an update as to what really is going on. There's a lot of rumors and gossip out there. So first topic is jumbo loans. There's a rumor I heard today that all jumbo loans are gone. That's simply not true. We're still doing purchase jumbo loans, minimum 20% down. If you're looking for a cash out jumbo loan, that can be difficult on a refinance to find right now, but purchase loans we're certainly doing. Stated income and bank statement loans, unfortunately, those have pretty much gone away. Those investors on stated income and bank statements have pretty much left the market for now. They will come back when, we don't know, but those non-QM loans are very hard to find right now, if not impossible. One area that we're seeing more attention to from Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac and different loan investors is the area of verification of employment. So obviously in this COVID lockdown that we're in, it can be a little bit more tricky to verify employment, to verify stability of income. So just borrowers should expect some extra documentation prior to funding. That documentation could be pay stubs, it could be emails from superiors at work, it could be contracts for TV shows or commercials that possibly are on hiatus but are going to resume production as soon as the lockdown is lifted. So extra verification of employment is something that's happening right now. With regard to appraisals, appraisers are still going out. Most all lenders, including us, prefer to do a full appraisal. As a case-by-case, we can do a drive-by appraisal. If the customer requests it, if the appraiser doesn't have access, a drive-by in most cases is acceptable. That's an exterior-only appraisal report, so they don't go inside. But for the most part, we're still doing interior and exterior full appraisals. With FHA, FHA is a program that for many years allowed credit scores down to 580 or 600 or even 620. It wasn't as credit sensitive as conventional financing, but that's changing a bit, and I think minimum credit scores on FHA are being raised to 660 in some cases, to 680 in some cases, so FHA is tightening up a bit. Some people have asked me, is a 30-day purchase transaction still possible? And definitely, we're still doing deals in 30 days. It might end up taking 33 days or 35 days, depending on, verification of employment and appraisal process. But you can still write 30-day escrows. In fact, we've even closed a few shorter than 30 days. So that's still very much in play. Notaries are still signing documents. That really hasn't been an issue. I know some companies are doing like virtual notaries. We haven't really had to go to that extent yet. We have notaries, whether it's in escrow or our own notaries that go out to customers' homes. We haven't had any issues with notaries. Same thing with recordings. County of Los Angeles are still recording transactions the day after funding. We haven't really seen any delays on recordings and closings, so that's been pretty much business as usual. Rates have been bouncing around quite a bit the last couple of weeks. We saw super low rates about a month ago, and then they've come up a little bit, actually quite a bit about 2 weeks ago. And in some areas, they've fallen back down into more reasonable levels. I think on loan amounts up to $510,000, you can expect a rate somewhere around 3.5%. On loan amounts greater than $510,000, that's where you're looking more like 3.875 or 4% at 1 point cost. So that segment of loan is still a little bit more expensive, certainly than they were a month ago. Jumbo loans, you're looking around 4% on a 30-year fixed at 0 points. So that's about it, guys. Just wanted to give you that update. I wish you and your families well. Have a great weekend. If you have any questions, you can give me a call at 818-421-4737. Hope you enjoyed the update. All the best to you, and talk to you soon.